Mr. Rajesh Pon, representative from DPIIT. Today we gather here to discuss about Unnati and the opportunity it's offered for the growth of development of Mizoram. The central government has allotted 453 crores for Mizoram under the Unnati scheme, which is highly benefits for the tremendous potential to uplift and the strengthening of entrepreneurship in Mizoram. It is important that entrepreneurs from Mizoram fully avail this opportunity and benefits being offered. However, from the response, the progress seen so far, it is a proof that the rate is very low. Till today, I don't know how much approved list. Uzo, can you tell me that how much approved is today? Only 7, all of the state. It is clear that the entrepreneurs in Mizoram are still facing difficulties in understanding and navigating the process and requirement of the scheme. I humbly request the concerned authorities and nodal agencies to stretch out their guidelines and simplify the process and address these challenges. I would like to paint the scenario of challenging that Mizoram face. As we well know, Mizoram is a hilly terrain and the roads are very steep and narrow. Mizoram receiving more than 100 days rainy in a year, leading the frequency landslide. Due to this, logistic companies are unwilling to camp or charge higher price for the others for their service. For my humble experience, I run a pipe industries in Tute Industrial Estate. I take raw materials from Ahmedabad. The distance between Ahmedabad and Guwahati is more than 2,500 km, and the logistic charge is 5 rupees to 6 rupees per kg only. However, Guwahati to Aizawl is around 460 kilometers. The transportation cost is 7 to 9 rupees per kg. It depends. The difference is very, very high because, as I mentioned, the road is very steep and narrow. Some companies are not willing to come here also. This is the main point for that the project is higher compared to the other state also. I would like to highlight that these are the main reasons why the project submit from Mizoram is usually higher compared to other states. In that case, I think today we have a special guest from, can you consider some mistake from our state also? Mizoram is economically important state that is located along with international borders, making an island for the border trade. The central government has constructed a new road, KMTP road, Aizawl to Zawrin, to connect Kolkata and further to, by the sea route. This makes Mizoram important state and fulfill the Central Act is policy. For this very reason, Mizoram can be a new trade gateway connecting India and Southeast Asia. Like Lemon says, how do you do it and how to do it? Kalkoma. Yet, we some Balam Kachon is a clap and the official thing and Suita. Saiku Mate Zoli. So, the depot when they had him. Don't watch one until is a club when it's one in Mizoram he gateway of India, Thar Anite, the there my head on Katia. Should be low in the Turatan, Swan when you're on Kalfam the he and Harkai to in the Shia. So when the other on Kalchak Chanpo Henia subjected and to him, Chubang Swanin, a scheme here come to young girl, swap to in Laula. The scheme he can rub down on some of the touring children so young Karin. No, a crore, Zanga Chuang and Dea, Jingan Zoda, in lak chhualo chuan midang in la chuak don tho tho tia chu wang chuan sang ni kumin September tha hian in registration to don tian ching kan ministry la chu wang chuan tu na mi paru chia register kan nei le hala engkin nge khat yang crore za ta khala chuak tur le gateway of India thar tur hi a lot in tur ta no India kan entrepreneur sun kan form te hian in tan in la kan ti kha kan an sei do ni I wish to apologize for this. I strongly believe that Unnati can play a significant role in accelerating sustainable development, creating employment opportunities, and empowering the entrepreneurs community of Mizoram. It is my sincere hope that our demands and prioritize, and we hope this meeting is fruitful for our state. Whereas today, the important peoples are coming from the central government, so we hope that this meeting must be fruitful for all of us. Thank you, Kalome.
John Dawhkan ni provider here. Hotel Koinonia Gurmoi Silo. Mizoram H&B Water Park Lian Sang Hmaa. Hotel City View Krishna Chetri. The proprietor here is chhawpchhuah. Hotel Magnolia proprietor Jesse Ramthanga. Atopera One Stop Hotel H La Siamna.